If you love giving old denim a fresh new look, you're going to love today's video. I'm sharing 50 plus creative upcycled jean vest ideas to inspire your next sewing project. From timeless classic styles to bold, modern designs filled with personality, you'll discover plenty of creative ways to transform an ordinary denim vest into something that feels completely new. Whether you enjoy adding lace, embroidery, patches, fringe, decorative stitching, fabric accents, studs, pearls, paint, or other eye-catching embellishments, these ideas are sure to get your creativity flowing. Denim is one of the most versatile fabrics to work with, making it the perfect canvas for experimenting with different techniques and expressing your own personal style. Every transformation you see on screen is designed to inspire you to look at denim in a whole new way, and imagine all the possibilities waiting in your own closet. If a particular design catches your eye, be sure to check out the Pinterest board linked in the description. There you can browse the featured ideas more closely, and depending on the source, you may find tutorials, patterns, or additional information to help you create a similar look. Whether your style is vintage, boho, rustic, feminine, edgy, colorful, or somewhere in between, you're bound to find ideas that spark your imagination and encourage you to create something that's uniquely yours. Be sure to watch all the way to the end because your favorite transformation might be one you haven't seen yet. As you're watching, let me know in the comments which jean vest inspired you the most. Once we reach 100 votes, I may recreate the winning design in a future sewing tutorial here on the channel. If you love sewing inspiration, upcycling ideas, and creative fashion projects, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into these amazing jean vest transformations. One of the things that makes upcycling denim vests so enjoyable is that there are endless opportunities to create something that reflects your own personality. Denim has a timeless quality that works with almost every style, making it one of the most versatile materials you can transform. As you continue watching these creative ideas, notice how even the smallest design details can completely change the finished look. A simple decorative stitch, a carefully placed fabric accent, unique embellishments, or thoughtful layering can turn an ordinary vest into something that looks custom designed. That's one of the reasons denim remains a favorite among sewists and makers. It gives you the freedom to experiment while still creating something durable enough to enjoy for years. Don't feel like you have to recreate any design exactly as you see it. Instead, think of each vest as inspiration that can spark your own ideas. You may love the overall style of one project, the decorative details from another, and the finishing touches from a completely different design. Combining those elements often leads to the most original creations because they reflect your own imagination instead of simply copying someone else's work. Upcycling also gives you the confidence to explore new sewing techniques without feeling limited by traditional fashion rules. Every project teaches you something valuable, whether it's improving your sewing accuracy, learning how different materials work together, or discovering new ways to personalize clothing. Before long, you'll begin looking at every denim vest as an opportunity to create something completely unique, and that's when the creative process becomes just as rewarding as wearing the finished piece. As your sewing experience grows, you'll probably notice that your confidence grows right along with it. The more projects you complete, the easier it becomes to recognize opportunities for creative changes that make every piece feel uniquely yours. You may discover that combining textures, experimenting with color, or adding unexpected details creates a look you never would have found in a store. That's one of the most rewarding parts of upcycling. You aren't just changing clothing, you're creating something with your own vision and craftsmanship. Every finished vest becomes a reminder of the skills you've developed and the creativity you've invested in the project. Even if a design doesn't turn out exactly the way you imagined, you've still gained valuable experience that will make your next project even better. Don't be afraid to try techniques you've never used before or put your own twist on an idea that inspired you today. Sometimes the most memorable creations come from experimenting and allowing your imagination to lead the way. I'd love to know which jean vest transformation inspired you the most. So be sure to leave a comment below and tell everyone which design you'd enjoy creating first. Once we reach 100 votes, I may recreate the winning design in a future sewing tutorial here on the channel. If you're enjoying today's collection, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future sewing inspiration, creative fashion ideas, and upcycling projects. You'll also find tutorial videos linked in the description that can help you build your sewing skills, along with related playlists filled with even more upcycling ideas, denim transformations, and creative sewing inspiration. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. There's a video on the screen to watch next, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. I'll see you there.